Welcome, today in front of me Honor X7 and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. First, let's launch the Google application and then click on the right upper corner. After that, tap here to the settings and select voice section. After that, click to the voice merge and you'll see here the Hey Google switcher and feature. You should click here once on the switcher to activate it, and then click here to the next, read this description and tap to yes, I agree. After that, click here to continue. And now Hey Google feature is activated, but we should add our voice model. So click here retain voice model and say, okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. After that, just tap here to finish, and now Hey Google feature successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.